Al-Khair schools have established themselves as unique institutions since 2003, as Ofcom approved providers of exceptional standards of education with a breadth of extracurricular activities and strong pastoral care. Students achieve pass rates significantly higher than the national average, whilst maintaining an Islamic education and environment. In essence, the fundamental objective of Al-Khair School is to produce well-balanced, confident and articulate individuals who will take the initiative to better their communities and surroundings. Since 2013, children within the West Midlands have had the opportunity to receive the same standards of education and pastoral care as students who attend the London branches of Al-Khair schools. Located in Oldbury, Al-Khair Primary School provides a well-rounded national curriculum education with some of the key highlights and facilities including extra English, maths and science workshops, comprehensive life skills ranging from gardening to outdoor survival, extensive focus on Islamic studies, Quranic Hifz and Arabic lessons. Students and parents are provided facilities to a nursery scheduled to open in 2017, a specialist computer-based teaching area, a dedicated science lab, prayer facilities where weekly Jummah prayers are conducted, and a spacious outdoor play area. Al-Khair Primary School Oldbury invites you to meet and speak to us about how together we can give your child the opportunity to obtain a high level of education whilst also instilling fundamental Islamic etiquette. To find out more, call on 0121 544 2361 or visit us online at alkhairschool.co.uk. Al-Khair Foundation are also taking admissions for our newest nursery, scheduled to open in 2017 in Ilford, London. For further information, please call on 0208 662 8664 or send an email to admin@alkhairschool.org.uk.